Welcome students. Today we will discuss about the structure and working of human heart. So let's begin with the today's discussion. Human heart is originated from the embryonal mesoderm and it is situated in the thoracic cavity between the two lungs and it is slightly tilted towards the left. It has a size of a clenched fist. It is protected by a double wall membranous structure called as the pericardium, which encloses pericardial cavity. This cavity is filled with a fluid which is called as the pericardial fluid. This fluid protects our heart from external damages or mechanical injuries. Our heart has four chambers, two relatively small upper chambers called as atria or auricle, and two larger lower chambers called ventricles. A thin muscular wall called the interarterial septum divides arterium into two parts, left and right atrium, while ventricles are further divided into two parts by the formation of interventricular septum. The atrium and ventricle of the same side are also separated with each other by the formation of auricular ventricular septum. However, each of these septa are provided with an internal opening through which the two chambers are internally connected with each other to ensure the flow of blood from one part of the heart to another. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve formed of three muscular flaps or cusp. Hence, it is called as the tricuspid valve. While left atrium and left ventricles are connected by a bicuspid valve, it is also called as mitral valve. The opening of the right and the left ventricle into the pulmonary artery and aorta, respectively, are provided with the semilunar valve. The valves in the heart prevent the backward flow of blood in the heart and hence to maintain a unidirectional flow of blood. The entire heart is made up of cardiac muscles which shows the capacity of rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life. One more important thing that the wall of ventricles are much more thicker than the wall of the atria because atrium receive blood from lungs or different parts of the body while ventricle has to pump the blood to all parts of the body. Therefore, its wall are much thicker than the wall of atrium. Now, let us discuss the working of human heart. As we have discussed earlier, that human heart is comprised of two main chambers, atrium and ventricles. These chambers are further divided into right and left atrium and right and left ventricles, which are connected internally with auriculoventricular apertures. Now, the deoxygenated blood from all the body parts is connected by inferior and superior vena cava. When right auricle is completely filled with the deoxygenated blood, blood is pushed into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve When right ventricle is completely filled with the deoxygenated blood is rapidly contract, as a result of which blood is forced into the lungs through pulmonary arteries. Here in the lungs, gaseous exchange takes place between the blood and the lungs. The oxygen which is present in the lungs is absorbed by the blood, and CO2 which is present in the blood is released into the lungs. Now the blood become oxygenated, which is carried by pulmonary vein to the left part of the heart. Now this oxygenated blood is entered into the left atrium. When it is completely filled with the blood, it forces blood into the left ventricle with the help of bicuspid valve. When left ventricle is completely filled with oxygenated blood, it forces blood to all parts of the body with the help of a forceful contraction. In this way, heart help in the transportation of blood throughout the body. What is double circuit circulation or double circulation? As we have discussed, the course of blood circulation through human heart, we can see that during a single cycle, two types of blood, that is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, passes through the human heart. Therefore, this type of circulation in which two types of blood, that is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, passes through the heart during a single cycle is called as the double circuit circulation. ये जो क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज डबल सर्किट सर्कुलेशन, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एग्ज़ाम में बहुत बार या तो केवल इसका डायग्राम या फिर एक्सप्लेनेशन 5 मार्क्स में पूछा हुआ है. तो इस डायग्राम को और इस एक्सप्लेनेशन को हम बड़े ध्यान से करेंगे. एक बार फिर से हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ डबल सर्कुलेशन. जब ह्यूमन हार्ट से एक ही साइकिल के ड्यूरेशन में दो बार ब्लड पास होता है, एक बार ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड और दूसरे पार्ट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, तो इस टाइप के सर्कुलेशन को हम डबल सर्कुलेशन कहते हैं. I hope you understand the topic. Thanks for watching.